Gotta love that noise, haven't you? I haven't sussed on there's a circle yet. I was going to be singing a ring of ducklings, a ring of ducks. We got a ring of ducklings. Come on, over here, man. There's corn over here as well, you know. Come on. Come on, over here. I thought you could see in the dark. You usually can. Come on, ring of ducklings. That's that noise videos, you know, when people don't talk, they just... Would you like that? Or is it ASMR or something? Or AMSL, so I don't know what the fuck. Weirdos, like. Careful, man. You didn't fucking want to choke yourself, man. We've still got other ducklings other places, like, but seen somebody stalking the ducklings and the chooks before. He was in the garden for ages. I think he just walked up the hill and back down again. You like strokes, don't you? Yeah, you like strokes, little duckling. Yeah, man. Yeah. That's cool. You know, that is cool. Tickle of the neck, have I looked after you before? I maybe have, you know. I've looked after a lot of them. There's another one, happy. Yeah, man. Lovely ducklings, aren't they? Well, they're not just lovely, but the ducklings are lovely. And I've got some crazy old colours. I noticed a brown and black and white one somewhere. Oh, it's not here. Is it? Oh, it's maybe that one. No. That penguin one. That's cool, isn't it?